The United States oil industry views fracking as an opportunity for economic growth. However, the large amounts of contamination and the serious health issues that this practice causes are completely ignored by U.S. officials. Bianca Perez is there. She filed this report.
That was putting a 16-inch pipeline in the ground.
Craig Stevens lives on the land that his family has owned for almost 200 years, since 2010. In 2011, the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, conducted an investigation because of complaints of contamination in the water due to fracking in the area, but the results were not what Craig expected.
It was a presidential election year in 2012. Those investigations started in 2011. They went on for almost 2 years before we were completely abandoned because they were finding so many problems that there was no way politically anybody could survive that.
Tired of being ignored, Craig, along with organizations that defend the environment and other people also affected by fracking, denounced in Washington, D.C. the situation at their lands. At the same time, only a few feet away, an EPA report was presented, which according to Stevens excluded contamination results found on their lands.
There might be 10% of the water contamination cases represented here. Of 90% are not even in this document, and they're reviewing water contamination. So that's my prop for today going to speak. That is their study that they're evaluating in there.
Studies show that at least 15.3 million Americans live within a mile of a well that has been drilled since the year 2000. This close proximity to the contamination has led to thousands of citizens manifesting serious health issues.
The health impacts have been myriad. People lose their hair, they have horrible rashes, terrible headaches, tumors, all sorts of really serious diseases that aren't being explored.
Statistics from the beginning of 2015 show that 22 out of the 50 states in the U.S. currently practice fracking. Bianca Perez, teleSUR, Washington, D.C.